Hey, what's up, Leekautorepair? Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you guys subscribe as well. I got a video for y'all. So I'm working on a 2007 Jeep Patriot. I don't know what year these Patriots go from. Well, this generation, because they switched up after a certain year. I think this is the first generation Patriot. I'm not sure though, but y'all know I'll leave that shit all in the description or whatever. So like I said, smash the like button. Make sure you guys subscribe, and we're gonna jump straight into the video and get it popping. So it is a voiceover. It ain't gonna be like one of those tutorials where y'all just see me talking. No, it's just me talking over my video. I'm narrating it. I narrate my shit or whatever. So let's get it popping. So I'm gonna go ahead and it's gonna be for like 5 minutes or whatever. Y'all might hear me in the background doing a few things, such as I'm gonna be rolling up. You don't know what rolling up is, and you don't know what matter of fact, I ain't even gonna say the other, cause my people be watching my channel now, and I gotta like dim it down on what I be saying, cause I'm a savage. I'm too much of a savage. So whatever. So let's go ahead and click it. So all right. First things first. I like to spray all my suspension components down with PB Blaster. Why? Because PB Blaster kind of eats at rust a little bit, to the point where you could get some components off and shit. So it's just good to use penetrating lubricant or whatever it's called. So I got all my components sprayed up. Next, I'm trying to remove off the bolt for the nut for the sway link, and I'm trying to heat it up. We all know sway links are a pain in the ass to come out because the stud for it like spins. It's a pain in the ass. You gotta lock it down with like some vice grips. Sometimes it'll back out. If it's too rusted, like this one had like too much rust on it, I just went ahead and locked it in place with needle nose vice grips, and I'm using MAP gas. And again, I use MAP gas because MAP gas gets hotter than propane, so y'all definitely want to use that or whatever. So now I'm taking an 18mm long ratchet wrench. It's an extra long one. You don't have to use that one, but I use what I use. I'm just breaking it free while I got it locked in place. So now that it was still spinning, so I went ahead and adjusted. Now it's good to replace your sway link. Make sure you replace the sway link. If you can save it, save it. If you can't, replace it. Like I'm being real. Just make sure that bitch ain't got like no play or nothing like that. So I got it to break free. So now I want to take my air ratchet, and once again, well, I didn't tell you the size. Actually, it's not an 18. It was a 15mm. I'm sorry, it was a 15mm nut, and get that jumpy off. So next, I want to take off the bolt and nut combo for the strut, and once you remove that off, that is 18mm on both sides. Once you back that out, the strutter drop down. So you know, be careful, be prepared for some little spring action going on or whatever. So I mean tension. So back that out. So next I'm taking off the bolt for the that's on the bottom part of the knuckle, bolt and nut. So I think all the bolts you will be removing are the same size. I don't remember exactly. I remember at least 2 being the same size. Next I'm removing this fucking this like bracket or something like that. It's held in my two 13mm bolts. I just went ahead and took that off. I actually took one to maneuver it out the way. Next I'm taking off the bolt for the low control arm, and yeah, that's the same size, 18 and 18 both sides. Go ahead and back it out, and I kind of had to like drive it out with the wrench a little bit. Y'all saw how I wedged it in between and used the air gun. That's a little trick I like to use, and get that all out. And once you get everything all out, it either should fall out or you gotta pry it out. Either way, it's gonna come out because you got everything out. So you see how this job don't take long. Yeah, I got 5 minutes of editing or whatever, but I mean, it took me like no more than 20 minutes to do this job. I'm like stuttering or whatever. So I'm packaging it. The brand is Moog. If you want Moog, if you don't know about Moog, Moog is pretty good. That's another video. Maybe I'll talk about it or whatever. But for the most part, we're just gonna match them up. Make sure you got them. And I think both rears is the same size. I could be wrong, but whatever. So y'all need to know that fumbling again. Removal is reverse sorry, installation is reverse of removal. So if you got a problem on what needs to be installed, just go back and watch the video, follow your order of operations, how I did everything or whatever. So all I did is lining up everything. I'm not going to show you guys how to finish the damn job. I'm just get the control arm, get my boat started, and then from there I'm gonna just go ahead and finish everything. I ain't going to show you guys. Y'all on your own. I didn't even get a chance to roll up or nothing. I'm still got the cigarello on in my hand or whatever and shit. Let me go ahead and crack it. Cause I got like a little splitter. So I cracked that already and shit. Still trying to wedge this boat in. That one was a pain in the ass. Just pry bar and a little finesse and you in there. So I got it in there. I'm Gucci. I'm golden. I'm solid. Now I'm getting in the strut. That bolt, that's really easy to get. All you gotta do is press down on the control arm, and you in there and shit. So yeah, that's all I got to just cover in this. It's a G Patriot. Like I said, it looked like the first generation. I don't remember. Well, the other is another model that don't look like this. So this got to be the first generation. Whatever. Show you how to replace your low control arm. That's all I got to say. Voiceover over. I holla.